let's start recording this. Okay, see, broken object property level authorization. So when allowing a user to access an object using an API endpoint, and it is important to validate that user has access to that specific property they are trying. See, like I am the user and I am trying to some properties in an endpoint. Like, so in the backend they need to validate like if I can access that property or not. So see, in previously there are two bugs. One is, see, I will show you on there. See, this is broken. See, broken object property level. So previous bugs which integrated in it, excessive data exposure and mass assignment. These two bugs are in now in broken object property level authorization. So when you find out an excessive data exposure, then you can report it as a broken object property level authorization, and even you find out the mass assignment, and you can also report that as broken object property level authorization. So what is this bug? Okay, let's do some more on it. So first let's try to find out the excessive data exposure. Okay, so sometime what happen, even we are accessing some data at endpoint, but API gives us more data then that is sensitive data. Okay, let's try to post. See, there is any data that is not related to us. See, we are getting only our data here. See, this same user, there is a recent. Okay, in this this is very big data. I will show you. There is a sensitive data, excessive data exposure. See, there is a endpoint get community API v2 community post recent. So what is this endpoint? Okay, I first show you what is this endpoint exactly. See, there is a community. Okay, let's try to see in this endpoint what this application showing us. See, this account A. What is this account A posting? Okay, let's remove this for some time. See, what is this account A? I'm posting testing account A. Means simple post, like, see, very simple post, nothing sensitive there. But in backend, maybe something there. So always try to capture that request and see like what is there. So let's capture this request and see. Let's go to another endpoint. Just try to access this. See this get. So let's send this request to the repeater. So this is the endpoint. That is same data here. Okay, so let's check out what we are seeing here. See, email is visible, and which this user is account A. So this is okay. This is our account, and our email is visible to us. That is okay. But let's see if other users detail is visible or not. If they are visible, then there is a bug. Okay, I am going down. Okay, let's do some filtering. Let's email. See, this is account 1. This is our previous account. Okay, let's check out other. See, this is other users. So we are seeing the data of other users. See, their ID, content. This is okay. Like if we are saying their picture, and this is okay, but their email is also visible. So we can perform other attacks by, see, we can use this attack email for perform the brute force attack. We can perform other attacks, and then we will do that in next. Okay, so see, we find out, okay, sensitive data exposure. So this bug is from broken object property level BOPLA, broken object property level authorization. Okay, see, we get every user's data here. You can see that. See, robot. So otherwise, what Like if there is no email and only like, okay, ID, title and content and author name, okay, in blog post author name is okay. Other than this, like they are saying like vehicle ID, like why this is showing this vehicle ID? No need of vehicle ID there. In post, what we can see only author ID and the what is who is written that blog. Other than that, it is showing the other details that is sensitive. So that is excessive data. Okay, so this is showing the excessive vehicle ID and email for all other users. So there is a BOPLA through. See, this is this excessive data exposure. Okay, let's talk about mass assignment. Okay, now this is integrated with this broken object property level authorization. Okay, so the classic example of a mass assignment is when an attacker is able to add parameter to the user's registration process. See, like mass assignment is the what happen, like when we can register ourselves. See, we can register ourselves as user, normal user, but we can like if we can register us as an admin user, then there is a mass assignment or BOPLA vulnerability. So able to add parameters to the user registration process and thus escalate their account from a basic user to administrator. So the user registration request may contains key value for username, email, address and password. An attacker could intercept that request and add parameter like is admin true. Okay, how we can do this? I will show you. Okay, there is a registration endpoint. Say, let's try this. Logout. Let's try to create an account. Mass assignment. Email is just okay. Let's mass 1@gmail.com. Phone number is anything 4422332211. Okay. Password I am using this. Okay, what I cannot use, I think this. Nope. No. Okay, so let's use this password. Paste it here. Okay, I am copying this password and I want to save it because maybe in future I need to use it. So let's capture this request. What's happening? So sign up. So this is a simple request. Send it to the repeater. Let's test it. See. So from this request, see, number already registered is it's okay. Let's I'm increasing this and changing something there. Then okay, changing it to see user registered successfully. So this is for simple user, but maybe there is, if we find out something and we can add there, okay, is admin and okay true. And this is accepting that, see, there is an error. Okay, let's send it. See, number already registered. Okay, let's change the number. See, we need to change them one again and again. Email and otherwise this will say, okay, this is already registered. This is already registered. I am sending this. See, user registered. Okay, let's try to log in this. Like if we get the admin privileges or not. See, we registered, but like how we can find out? Okay, we get the admin privileges or not. So this is see now you ask me like Devendra, how you find out like this? There is an is admin, or maybe there is this is admin, or maybe there is this admin. How I find out? There is no way to find out. You can use the brute force technique by using the param miner. If I want to find out how many parameters we can use there, so you can use the param miner for finding out that. See, currently I am just using for showing you. Otherwise, you need to first find out the parameters. So, right, there is a extension. Go to extension and install param miner. Param miner. Where is paraminor? Yeah, this. Install it. Just click on that. This will install. Okay. Then right click on this extension, paraminor, guess JSON parameter. See, this is the JSON. So I want to guess, like if maybe we will find out is admin there. So just right click, extension, paraminor, is JSON parameter. Start this and just go with the default one. So wait for some time, then you this will tell you like which parameter is available for testing. Okay. So same thing, you can use this for finding the parameters for another request also. Okay. So see, let's try to log in with this, like we are getting the admin function or not. Mass13. Copy, paste it here and login. See, we are not an admin. Okay, it's okay. We are not admin. So when that is not successful, let's that okay. Let's check that extension. Go to extender and go to that extension, which is this is our so let's go to the output. See, initializing JSON brute force. So it's initialized. It will take some time. Okay. So in the meantime, we can check out another functionality where we can find out this mass assignment. See, so mass assignment is all about like if we can change some functionality, so which is not in our control, means this is very big vulnerability. Okay, let's log in our account 2 and I will show you something. In the meantime, look, okay, for finding the parameters, like if you want to change is admin or any, so you can use the paraminor. So there are many endpoints where you can try this paraminor. Okay, so this is our account. There is a SOAP functionality. So let's try to do mass assignment vulnerability there. So let's I'm capturing request first. So this mass assignment vulnerability is very dangerous. So when you try it, so first try to understand the flow. Without understanding the flow, do not try this. So like, and only try on your accounts, not another account. Like create user A and user B. Do not try to use on another accounts. Otherwise, you are in trouble. Even you are doing the bug hunting. If you did this, then you are in trouble. Okay, then try to create 2 accounts and try to do this. See what we can do this. See, and if you are see, this is what we can perform this. I will show you. See, there is a buy option. See, okay, let's try to buy out something. Sending this request to the repeater. Okay, I'm sending this request to the repeater. I'm sending this request to the repeater. Okay, so there are some requests. So what is this request? Post workshop API add product ID quantity 1. So see, order sent successfully, order ID, our balance is this. Now balance is $70. Okay. So next is get workshop all the orders. See, you can this is simple, very simple. There is no bug. See, we are seeing our own order. So these are the orders. We did it. Okay. There is another endpoint that get all product. See, there is a get. We can get all the products. So see, there is seat, wheel. This is my project. This is my project. Okay. So see, I already tried, because of that there are 2 product extra. So otherwise only 2 product are there. Only there. See, seat and wheel. So 2 products are there. So see, for if you want to check this, you need to check option method, like what we can perform here. First check what is available there. Get, head, post and option. So from head we cannot get anything, so and only post is left. So let's try the post. Very simple. Send the post request. See, this name field, price field and image URL is required. Okay, so same thing, and go to back and there is, see, name, description and here, see, these are the field, name, seat, image URL. So these fields are required. So I am copying it, and where these required? Here. Required means here in the JSON. See, everything is okay. So let's change the ID parameter to our own ID parameter. Is ID is 5, because we need to find out which ID is available. 1, 2, 3, 4 ID is there. Then okay, let's. Okay, what happened? Okay, let's copy it again. Okay, paste it here. Pretty. ID, change it to the 5. Okay. So name is this. Let's change it to Santosh. And okay, let's check out this price. Okay, let's put it 100 price. Like I'm checking, like everything working fine or not. Let's send this request. See, this is created, means we can add. So this is very big bug. We can add things on this site. Like if you can add a thing on other site without asking them, this is a bug, very big bug. See, so and see, you added a thing. So this is what is this bug? Mass assignment. So what we can see, one thing is this bug, and other thing what we can do, we can also leverage this bug to another bug in the back end. They are not validating this price. See, if you want to check out what is my available balance, so I have only $70. Okay, let's change it to minus. See, when we buy this item, see what is the thing there. Like if I buy this $10 item, then this will decrease. $10, then this will become $60. Okay, if I change this to minus 100 and I buy this, then my minus 100 means this will increase by minus 100. Okay, like see, if price, okay, what is the thing? I will first show you. Like see, any product price is 100 rupees. Okay, and you have 1000 rupees and you buy that product. After that, how many rupees you have? 900. Okay, if product price is minus 200, and what happened? And you buy that. So even you buy the first thing, you can buy that product, and other thing, this value add into your. So this is a math calculation, guys. So I am not going in very deep. So this will add into your account, and your account will have $1100. Okay. So how we can perform this? First, change the price to minus. After that, we can buy that, and if you successfully buy it, then see, let's change it to $1,000 and minus 1000. So price is minus $1,000. Send it. Okay, see, price is minus $1,000. Okay, let's check out if price is changed or not. See, there is a new item. Price is minus 1000. Okay, let's buy it. See, you can check my balance is $70, but when I buy this, I buy it successfully. One order is successful, and let's check out now. See, available balance. Now I can increase my balance by using this mass assignment. Because of that, see, they are not checking. First thing, we can add the item on your website. First thing, and other thing, they are not validating. See, minus is not possible. They need to validate this in the back end. If you are changing that, then there is a bug. Okay, So this is, see, when allowing a user to access an object using an API endpoint, and it is important to validate the user has access to that specific object. Same thing. So if we are we are accessing an object, okay. See, which endpoint we are accessing? Product, and we are changing there. So what they need to do? See, it is important to validate the user has access to that specific object property. Means property we are adding something, so we have the access or not, that for that. If we not, then they need to drop that request. Okay. So this is all about BOPLA.